Hello, friends. Good day. This is Madeline Jerez Sulite, and welcome to my channel, Madeline's Journey. And I would like to present to you one of my favorite food and my specialty, oatmeal patty. This is good for those people who really watch their diet and for vegan and vegetarian people. So here's the ingredients and the procedures. So what are we waiting for? Here it is.